Understanding Save Changes, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to explore a common phrase that you often encounter while using computers and applications: save changes. Understanding this concept is crucial as it can save you from losing important work. Let's dive in and make sure your hard work is never lost. When you save changes, you are instructing your computer or application to store the latest version of your work. This could be anything from a document you are writing, to edits on a photo, or even changes to settings on your device. It's like telling your computer, "Remember this exact point so I can come back to it later." Not saving your changes is like writing a letter and never sending it. The information never gets stored. If your computer shuts down or the application closes unexpectedly, any modifications you made will be lost. Saving frequently ensures that your recent edits are kept safe. Most programs have a Save or Save Changes button, often represented by a floppy disk icon. You can usually find it at the top of the window. Some applications autosave, which means they automatically store your changes after a certain period or action. However, it's always good practice to save manually to ensure your changes are recorded. 1. Working on a document. Whether you're writing an essay or preparing a report, regularly saving changes prevents data loss. 2. Editing photos or videos. These files are often large and require a lot of work, making it crucial to save progress. 3. Updating preferences. From social media settings to your phone's layout, save changes to keep your preferences as you set them. And that's it. Remember, Save Changes is your digital safety net. It ensures that your work and preferences are stored and retrievable for future use. I hope this video helps you understand the importance of saving your work as you go. Keep learning, and always save your progress.